what do we have here?
Well, we got this nice red scale. Found it at a garage sale and don't know a whole lot about it.
Okay, it's really cool, though. Believe it or not, right around 1900-ish, people didn't have bathroom scales.
Okay.
They didn't know what they weighed. A few coin-operated companies came up with the idea of maybe putting these in, like, a drugstore or something like that. Just put a penny in. That's all it cost was a penny, and you can weigh yourself. The drugstores owned them because they got a penny out of you, and they didn't have to give you anything.
That makes sense.
You know, I brought my restoration guy with me to Denver. Bob would probably know who made it and everything else about it. Hold on one second. Hey, Bob. Bob, come over here.
What's up, Rick?
All right. Well, it's like a drugstore scale.
It's a Watling scale. The mechanism is actually impressive because it gives you your weight. And right here, it's a fortune teller with a mirror. Okay, obviously the mirror is not too good a shape, but the fortune teller's still there. Gives you your question and your answers. About 21 of them on here, all for a penny. In the back, you got a counterweight system. This is brass. All this stuff cleaned up and polished. Really looks good. It's not in bad shape. They're all heavy duty. It's a little dirty. The front graphic's missing, but otherwise it's all there, you know?
Is this thing restorable?
Oh, it's very restorable.
Okay. So what are these things worth restored?
Restored, they can go up to $2,700. In this condition, it's probably worth about $250,
I mean, how much would it cost me to restore it?
say $1,600.
All right. How much you want for it?
I was hoping to get 500 for it.
So we just heard him. It's gonna take like $1,600 just to make it right. I'll give you $250. It's more than a fair price, because right now it's just a boat anchor.
Would you be willing to do 300 for it?
I'll give you $275.
You're doing good.
All right, I can take 275.
$275, we got a deal? So you can get it done here in town before I leave Denver?
I think I can get it done working late nights at my buddy's shop.
All right, go inside, they'll get you paid, and take it away.
All right.
Bob.
How you doing, Rick?
It's the penny scale. It looks amazing. I can't believe you got this done in a few days.
Well, I knew you wanted to weigh yourself.
Oh, no, it absolutely looks amazing. I mean, so what did you do to it?
Yeah, I polished that up, took the whole scale apart, then sandblasted it and painted it. The graphics are all brand new. It just really looks good. They're pretty cool looking.
So what did you have to do to the mechanism in the back?
Cleaned up all the mechanism, got it working.
Oh, it looks brand new inside.
Yeah, the brass down here was all polished. All these pieces were cleaned up, mechanism oiled.
That's really cool. All right, here's the big finale. Let's see if it weighs me correctly. Let's see how this works. I put the penny in. There's obviously an issue here. Okay.
How bad is it? Oh.
And my fortune, will the secret be kept? Apparently it won't.
Okay.
All right. It's absolutely amazing. I can't believe you got this done in a few days. How much are you?
1,600.
As always, a man of your word, so 1,600. I paid 275. I think I get 2,700 for it. Quick 800 or 1,000 bucks I'll make. Sounds like a great week. But I really think you need to work on calibrating the weights there.
We'll recalibrate it for you, Rick.
I just think it's off just a little bit. Yeah. Let's go grab the guys in the back, and
All right.
you can tell them how to ship it.
Very good.